So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will discuss about our syllabus and important topic for stress management. So, our official syllabus of stress management is week first, scientific foundation of stress, and in week second, stress psychophysiology, and then week third, developing resilience to stress, and in week four, strategies for relieving stress. So these are the official syllabus for stress management, and let's discuss our analysis of the syllabus in comparison with the weekly assignment. So week first, scientific foundation of stress. So in week first, assignment focus on definition of stress like Hans Selye, Cannon, etc. and general adaptation syndrome like alarm, resistance, exhaustion. And then stress type like eustress, distress, acute and chronic. And then personal types like A, B, C, D, and hardiness, three C's, commitment, control, and challenge. And last is learned helplessness, Martin Seligman. So, the most important topic of our week first, we will conclude that stress definition and models, Selye, gas stages, and type of stress like acute, chronic, eustress, distress. And last is personality and stress like type A, B, C, D, hardiness, locus of control. So let's discuss about our week second most important topics. So week second is stress psychophysiology. So assignments cover fight or flight response, adrenal medulla, epinephrine, norepinephrine, and HPA axis like hypothalamus, pituitary, adrenal glands. And next is hormones like CRH, ACTH, cortisols. And next is disorders linked to stress like IBS, Cushing's, OCD, anxiety disorders. So the most important topic of our week second is HPA axis, sequence and hormones involved, and then adrenal gland structure and function, and then fight or flight response details, and last stress related disorders. Now let's discuss about our week third, developing resilience to stress. So the assignment covers perception differences in stress response, psychological tests like STAI, anxiety, MCMI, third, million rotors locus of control, and stress versus anxiety difference, anxiety model, Pedesky, cognitive biases, planning strategies, assertiveness skills. And the most important topic of our week third is stress versus anxiety distinction and resilience strategies like planning, assertiveness, perception, and then psychometrics tools like STAI, MCMI third, rotor. And next is cognitive behavioral aspects like biases, schemas. And last is week fourth, strategies for relieving stress. So the assignment covers coping types like adaptive versus maladaptive, appraisal like primary, secondary, reappraisal, and next relaxation techniques like progressive muscular relaxation, biofeedback, mindfulness, diaphragmatic breathing, Tai Chi. And next is exercise and endorphins, time management skills. And the most important topic of our week fourth is stress appraisal theory, like primary, secondary reappraisal, relaxation techniques, PMR, JPMR, mindfulness, biofeedback, breathing. And next is exercise benefits like endorphin release, lowering FFA. And last is time management. So these are the most important topic of our week fourth. And now let's discuss about our overall high weightage topic from all these weeks. So the first is stress models and theories from week first. In this, you have to study about GAS, type of stress, definition, personality and stress. And second is stress physiology from week second. In this topic, you have to study about HPA axis, fight or flight, stress hormones, stress related disorders, and in third, resilience and coping. It is related to week third and fourth, assertiveness, planning, appraisal, adaptive versus maladaptive coping. And last is fourth, stress management techniques. It is related to week fourth, and the subtopics of our stress management techniques is relaxation technique, mindfulness, exercise, time management. So these are the syllabus and most important topics of our stress management. So thank you friends for watching our video. Now we will meet in our mock test series. So thank you friends for watching our video.